What's up everybody, and thank you for tuning in. I'm Mains by Mel, and today's video is going to show you guys how we can achieve a lovely 1920s/30s period piece flapper finger wave style. So keep watching and listen close. First things first, you gotta wet down your hair completely. I've already done this, so go ahead, throw your head under the faucet, come on back, brush it out, and we shall begin. Some things you're gonna need are a liquid gel, a super liquidy gel. This is gonna be your waving gel. So I'm using Confixor liquid gel. You will also need a fine tooth comb, lots of clips. Optional would be a bowl and brush to apply your gel, and a darn good attitude. So let's get started. You're gonna take your bowl and you're gonna take your gel and you're gonna pour it. Yes, yes, yes. You're gonna want a lot of it, but if you don't want to waste your gel, little by little. So I'm using a brush to apply because I don't want to get my hands dirty. No, I just find it's going to be easiest to apply this way because you really want to distribute it evenly. So you'll notice I'm taking sections and applying the gel all over my roots. As I comb my hair, it will distribute down the hair shaft. You will notice already, once you comb your hair down and it's got the gel, you're already going to see a wave. Now, I should have also explained that this is best on textured hair. So if you have a wave to your hair or a curl to your hair, you're really going to achieve a great look with this style. The straighter your hair is, you're going to be struggling. Finger waves are not easy, but when you already have a wave to your hair, it's half done for you. So now that you're all gelled up, you're ready to begin the wave. So take your comb. I like to use the fine teeth of the comb, and you will begin the wave. So each shaping in the wave is called a C shaping. So decide where you want your hair to start off. If you want it to go forward or if you want it to start backwards. Sometimes your curl will know which way it wants to go and you're best working with the direction of the curl. So I'm going to start combing backwards. Then I'm going to put my finger there to keep it in place. Remember, that's why these are called finger waves. You need your fingers. And then you're going to change the direction of the curl. See what that just did? Boom, I like it. I'm going to take a clip and I'm going to set that there so as I continue, it doesn't get ruined. Now, I don't want to create a mark with my clip, so I have these little papers. These are actually for perm rods. These are end papers, but you can really use any little paper. It's just so that you don't get the mark from the clip. So I will place that so that will hold that in place, because these have to set and dry. So this is great to do the night before your party. Naturally, having a wave in your hair gives you something to work with. So if you comb down and then back that comb back up slightly where you were, you'll see where the curls want to form. Simply place your finger to set it, push it in the direction you want it to go gently, and then clip. Side one, now complete. Repeat on the other side. Now you must let this style dry so it fully sets, and then you can remove your clips and finish off the look. That's why I recommend you do this the night before. I just gently wrapped around my silk satin scarf to protect it all. So now I can go ahead and go to sleep so it can dry overnight and I'll be ready for the morning. And we're back. My style is dried and set, and now it's time to put in the finishing touches. So we're gonna let off our little scarf here. Wow, fabulous, fabulous. And you still want to be very gentle when you're doing this. So gently remove all your clips. Ta-da! Now you're an egghead. You are officially a fabulous egghead. So if you wanted to kind of loosen up the style a little bit, you can take your comb and just gently kind of brush out the gel a little bit so they're not so stiff looking. This is optional. So we have long hair. Many ladies in that time period had short bobs, so you can create a faux bob. I'm going to tuck in the ends of my hair, take a bobby pin, and stick that right through. Weave the bobby pin as you insert it so I can grab each hair and hold, and it almost looks real. And then this time period was very into headdresses. So your costume should have came with one of these, So as you can see, the accessories really bring this Gatsby costume to life. I got this costume and the accessories on Amazon, so I'll put the link in the descriptions below. And that's simply all it takes to achieve today's look. So I hope you guys really like this tutorial. Thank you for tuning in today, and I will see you next Tuesday. Where's my alcohol? Fuck the prohibition. Okay, am I holding this thing right? Bless you.